Hey guys, hope you guys have been having a safe and productive quarantine. Lately I've been catching up on a lot of editing, and I've also been working on the 2002 a bunch. I have a ton of parts that I need to install onto it, and I already have a bunch of stuff filmed already, so look forward to all that content. Let me know if you guys want to see any other content like on the E30s, the turbo car, or the M50 car, because I can definitely cover those. I know I've been posting a bit about the 2002 lately, and I have a ton more 2002 content planned, but if you guys want to see the E30s, just let me know, and I'll definitely film something on that. But in this episode, I covered the rear brakes on the 2002, which I actually did last year, and it was kind of a short video, so I end up throwing in part of the 4-speed transmission refresh that I did from a manual transmission I got as a manual swap deal for the 2002 from a friend for a really good deal. And in the upcoming episodes, I finish up the 4-speed swap on the 2002, so stay tuned for that. I don't really talk too much in this episode just because I was so focused on getting the things done. I hope you guys don't mind. It is going to be a lot of music, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys want me to film this a different style with some voiceovers kind of explaining more of what I'm doing other than text, then just please let me know. Love your guys' opinions and criticisms. So I just want to make these videos more entertaining for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy this episode, and I hope to see you guys in the next episodes. Damn, look at that. Look how nasty it is. Look at that. Why does this look so good? Oh my gosh. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave any suggestions for future videos in the comments below, and please also like and subscribe if you haven't already. Doing any of those helps my channel grow a lot, and I really, really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys.